Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you best scanner apps for your iPhone or Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You're working from home and you get a message from your colleagues. They need to a copy of sales contract that in your position. The problem you don't have a scanner. Fear not, your Android phone comes packaged with a feature that turns any paper document into PDF file. So don't worry, in this video I will show you the best app scanner on your mobile. Now you can search the app on your Apple Store or Play Store. You can search for Tap Scanner. So this one, here's the app. You can download it to your phone. After that, you can open the app like this. Now you can just tap on plus icon. If you want to scan document from camera, you can just choose on camera in here. And you can just point the camera to the document that you want to scan. For example, I want to scan this. You can choose the camera if you want to take a single picture or multi or ID card, passport or QR code. For example, I will just try to use single. You can point the camera to the document. After you point it, you can just tap on capture in here. Now from here you can adjust the size for your document. After that, in here you can rotate or you can crop. Tap on next. You can allow access to activate smart naming, but if you don't want, you can just skip it. And in here you can choose you want to for the effect you want to the original, auto, perfect, lighten, spark or polish. You can adjust. You can also adjust the brightness and also the contrast in here like this. After finish, you can just tap on save. Now if you want to save it to your phone, you can tap on here like a download icon in here. You can save it as PDF or image, and the quality you can set to from low to regular for free, but if you want to make the quality to the max with the highest quality, you can choose on max, but you need to upgrade to premium in this app. We'll choose on regular now and save, and here you go. Here's your document. You have scanned it, you have saved it as a PDF to your mobile phone. It's very simple, right? So Tap Scanner is a mobile app that turns your phone into a portable scanner to digitize document, photos, and receive into PDF or image files. It features automatic age detection image and enhanced filter to improve scan quality and the ability to merge, split, and add a signature to documents. Key functions include OCR text recognition to make scanned text reachable and editable, secure cloud backup to services like Google Drive and Dropbox, and instant sharing capabilities. So, but if you want to scan from your gallery, you can just choose on gallery. It's very simple, right? So that is the best scanning apps on your for Android or iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.